Characters: Emily, a busy working professional in her late 20s. Sarah, a friendly and talkative stay-at-home mom in her early 30s. Mark, an elderly gentleman with a passion for baking in his late 70s. The produce section of a bustling supermarket. Emily is carefully selecting fresh fruits and vegetables. Sarah is navigating with her shopping cart, and Mark is examining the various herbs and plants on display. Hi there! I couldn't help but notice you checking out those avocados. They're looking pretty good today, huh? Oh, definitely. I'm trying to eat healthier, and avocados are a staple in my diet. I hear you. Healthy eating is a challenge, but it's worth it. By the way, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Hi, Sarah. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you too. Are you a regular here? Oh, absolutely. With 2 kids and a husband, I practically live in this place. How about you? Yeah, pretty much. Work keeps me busy, and the supermarket is my go-to spot for groceries. What brings you here today? Just the usual. Trying to keep the family fed and happy. Oh, and I'm on a mission to find a perfect birthday cake for my husband. His birthday is coming up, you know. That sounds like fun. What kind of cake is he into? He's a chocolate fanatic. I'm thinking of surprising him with a triple-layer chocolate cake. Do you have any favorite recipes or recommendations? Well, my go-to chocolate cake recipe involves dark chocolate and a hint of coffee for richness. I can share it with you if you'd like. That sounds amazing! I'd love to try it. Maybe we can exchange contact info or something. Sure. Let me just grab my phone from my bag. As Emily and Sarah exchange contact information, Mark, who overheard their conversation, chimes in. Excuse me, ladies. Couldn't help but overhear your conversation about chocolate cake. Mind if I join in? Of course not. The more the merrier. I'm Sarah, and this is Emily. What's your name? I'm Mark. Pleasure to meet you both. I couldn't resist joining the conversation because I'm a passionate baker, and I have a few tips for creating the perfect chocolate cake if you're ever interested. Baking? That sounds wonderful! I've always wanted to enhance my baking skills. Same here. Mark, would love to hear more about it. Maybe we can meet up for coffee or something and discuss baking and chocolate cake. That sounds delightful. I'm always happy to share my baking knowledge. Here, let me give you my contact information as well. The 3 continue their conversation, sharing tips on baking, exchanging recipes, and forming an unexpected bond in the supermarket's produce section. Mark regales them with stories of his love for baking and the joy it brings to people. Emily shares her experience with experimenting in the kitchen, and Sarah talks about the challenges and rewards of being a stay-at-home mom. As they part ways with promises to meet up again, the supermarket buzzes with the sounds of busy shoppers and the lingering warmth of newfound connections. It was really nice meeting you both. I'm looking forward to trying out that chocolate cake recipe, Sarah. Absolutely, Emily. And Mark, I can't wait to learn more about baking. Maybe we can plan a little baking session or something. That sounds like a fantastic idea. I'll bring some of my favorite baking tools, and maybe we can create a masterpiece together. Until next time, friends. The trio parts ways, each pushing their carts in different directions, but carrying the shared excitement of new friendships and future culinary and baking adventures.